That's what a peace lily sounds like. That's awesome. Have you ever had a very stressful life event happen? Or maybe you have these dogs that accidentally pull you down when you're walking them on a leash. Well, either way, we can use some time to chill out and relax. And what better way to do that and chill out and relax is with our plants, through music. Did you know that plants give off sound? Let's find out. What's going on, my plant peoples? I am the ADHD gardener, where I use gardening, houseplants, and humor as a much needed form of mental health therapy. And let me tell you, I really could use it because I don't feel good at all. I have gone through a little bit of my own traumatic event this week, and it's very, very painful. Very painful. If you watch my live streaming up on this coming Sunday, you'll find out why. I'll get into details about it, but I could really use some chill out time. I could really use some positive vibes. I can really use some happy, positive environment. And that brings me to the Plantwave. Plantwave is actually a machine or a little device that can pick up all of the electrical conductivity in your plants and then converts it into sound. We're gonna be listening to a few plants, and hopefully that will cheer up all of our moods. No, I'm not sponsored for this. I wish I was, but this was expensive. Just letting you know right now, it's not for the faint of heart. It was expensive, but I thought I'd show you guys because it really is pretty cool. It does come with some electrodes. This is the electrodes. There are other ones too. It plugs up into this device, and this is where we're going to be hooking this up into our plant leaves. Don't forget to charge this before you get started, because you do need to charge this up. Let me know down in the comments below, what do you think will happen? Do you think that all the plants are going to sound the same? Do you think that they're going to sound differently? Okay, you can actually test it out on yourself, being that we are definitely positively and negatively charged inside of our own bodies. We can definitely hear what we sound like ourselves. Isn't that cool? Look at the smile it brings on my face. The beautiful thing about this is that you can actually change up the different sounds. This is my frequency. This is what I sound like, my vibes inside of myself. If you let go of this, it will clear off. Now we can start trying a plant. So you take these little electrodes and you're gonna place them on a leaf. One leaf for one little clip, one leaf for another little clip, all right? And let's see what it sounds like. What we do is attach it. That's what the staghorn fern sounds like. Isn't that cool? Now, if you're tech savvy, you can do a lot of wonderful things with the Plantwave. I am not tech savvy, so I cannot really fully tap into its capabilities, at least not yet. We're switching now. Now we're gonna go to the Monstera. Monstera Deliciosa. Isn't that so cool? This one's a lot faster. That's awesome, awesome. Now I believe there is a way to record all of these different sounds, and maybe you can make your own playlist. Maybe you can make your own music. Maybe you can make your own ASMR thing, which I'm hoping to plan on figuring out how to do it. But that is such an awesome sound. All right, let's switch it up again. Let's switch to another plant. Same vibes. It's not picking up the ZZ plant.
Whoa, what happened?
Okay.
Here?
It's the snake plant.
All right, snake plant, you sound pretty good. Snake plant, you sound pretty good.
I did hear that with this Plantwave, if you actually watered your plant, that it sounds different because of the electrical conductivity you know, the nude or whatever, the positive ions or anything, depending on the type of water that you're giving, could really impact the plant itself. You know, to be honest, it's not picking up my rabbit foot fern. So let's see if it's a fluke or not. Let's try something else. Let's try this little jacked up cat palm right here. Let's see if this will give off something. For some reason, it wasn't picking up the rabbit foot fern. Okay.
Okay, we got this cool cactus. Hey, all right. I don't know if that's the speaker or if there's like a frequency interruption. I wonder if that's my phone that's doing that. That's so weird. Let's try something else. What about this poor ginkgo plant I'm nursing back to health? Let's see about this one. Oh, that one worked out. That poor ginkgo is still pushing through. Oh, okay. I think my phone just died. All right.
Isn't this the coolest thing? It's what a peace lily sounds like. That's awesome. How calming is this, really? Now the aloe vera, I'm assuming this is not going to work for these type of electrodes. You would have to put the flat ones on. So let's try those. Okay, here we go. So what I was thinking, what if we need to change to the little pads? So I'm going to take these pads that came with the Plantwave and stick them on here and see if it works. So that's weird. So it did not pick up the ZZ, it did not pick up the rabbit foot, but it picked up me. It picked up all the other ones. I don't know. I know the light is a little fuzzy or whatever, but it's right by a window, so. Cool, 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 cool. This made my day. Let's hear what it sounds like with a philodendron. Let's check out my philodendron hope, okay? So, here we go. Oh, there we go. That sounded a little weird. Still cool though. Now there are plenty of different functions. Ooh, this sounds really nice. I like this. Notice the static. I wonder what the static is. I mean, I know what static is, but you know, like in relation to the plant, what kind of static is that? Does that mean something? I'm sure it does. I just don't know what it means. I really hope that you enjoyed this because it really did lift my spirits, and I hope it lifted your mood too. If you did enjoy this video, then don't forget to smash that like button. Of course, we got my rooster Freddy out there chilling as usual. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I live stream twice a month on Sundays. You can catch me on Facebook and Instagram and all that fun stuff. Until the next episode, you guys, where you and me both can grow our happiness one plant at a time, one day at a time. And I'm hoping I can feel better for the next episode. Peace and love.